Okay, so now we've got that set up. So we've got our navigation controller not plugged in, and we just the can around into the valve bus. Pin 2 is yellow or high, and pin 3 is green or low. And then our cam wires just loop round into our Arduino doing the reading so we can see what's going. We don't need this to steer, but it just helps us understand. So on this one now we'll load this one here with the filters. That'll only tell us the messages going from the navigation controller to the tractor and the tractor to the navigation controller. So if we just upload that, and we open the serial monitor. It sets up all the filters and there's no messages. So now if we start the tractor, we still don't get any messages because there's no navigation controller to send anything, and we haven't told the tractor it's there, so it just carries on. So now if we boot our navigation controller up with some power, that can bursts into life. And we'll just push pause here and scroll to the top. And we don't actually have the message there setting the navigation control. It probably happened a bit too fast, but never mind, we won't worry about that. We'll just go straight to the action. So here we'll just stop. We have two messages. So FO is the tractor controller, so it's going from tractor controller to navigation controller, and it's the actual curve, which you can look in the Arduino code and see it all coming out of here, and the target curve, what it thinks we've been set to. And then the next one down is from 2C, which is our navigation controller, to FO, which is the tractor, and we're sending like 5, 9, 3, which 3 means steer, 10, and 206 is our set curve, and 152 is just a sort of check number, which we'll worry about that later. And then these here are sort of, I've just made it so we can understand, so we'll get it scrolling again. And I've obviously got my switch around the wrong way, so if I turn my switch off, we've got the actual curve, which is our steering wheel. I've got the computer on it so I can't turn, and the target curve and the set curve is 0 because we're not sending it. Then if I turn the switch on and move my potentiometer, this will change. Obviously the steering wheel won't. Okay, so we turn the steering off. Oh, just some ISOBUS stuff. So now we want to engage. The lights aren't flickering, that's just the video, but don't worry about that. The light is on solid. So handbrake off, put it in gear because we need a bit of forward speed. You can probably see the wheels there a little bit, I think, maybe. So now we're driving forward and we engage steering. Oh, and the wheels are turning. It's a bit hard to hold everything, but you get the gist of the idea. Now we're turning. We're controlling the tractor. If we stop steering, well, we stop, engage my switch again, and if I move the steering wheel it'll cut out, and it'll stay cut out until I turn the switch off, switch back on, and then we'll be controlling again as long as we've got forward wheel speed. And that's pretty much the gist of it. But have a play and see what you reckon.